A new version of the Ford Thunderbird looks ready for a nameplate revival. Wait a second. This looks like a race car over here. Mm-hmm. What are we talking about? With all the logos and such?
Yeah.
I remember the Thunderbird did not look like that the last time we saw it.
What did it look like?
You kidding? The last time we saw the Thunderbird, it was a different type of appeal, which wasn't...
Was it Ford?
It was that one right there. It was a 2004 Ford Thunderbird. Yeah, that's the last time we saw it. They were collectible.
That DNA looks so different than the old one.
Well, they tried to basically make a retro modern. Like it sort of has a Pixar thing going on, the new one. It's hard to pinpoint what it was, but I remember people were actually collecting these things at one time.
Okay, yeah.
And when you see it with the top up, it looks even weirder. Retro new type of situation. But what you just showed me is wild. Like, I like the look of what you just showed. It kind of, it's mean, but it's American looking. It has some things going on that I like. Many beloved vehicles are getting revivals. Yeah, people are feeling the strongness. Oh my
Look at the back.
God, it looks like a monster. I am all over it. Looks like a monster. Right?
Yeah.
Holy
it's cool.
Cow. One hell of a trunk on it, too. These are concept images. Like, I don't know if this is one of those wishful thinking type of situations. Ford built the first Thunderbird starting with its model year 1955 through 1997. Wow. And also, what a name for a car. Thunderbird. It went on a 5-year hiatus, returning to its roots in 2002, which is the one that I just showed you. From 2002 to 2005, Ford has not indicated they'll revive the Thunderbird for a future generation, but that doesn't stop people imagining things or enthusiasm for the brand. This does look like it's ready to do battle with the Challenger.
Yeah.
And I'm here for it. There's no way it's going to get made like this with that crazy long tail. I just can't imagine it, but it would be damn cool if it was an actual thing.
It does look like a race car as well. At least the front of it.
Oh, hell yeah, it does. When you put the Hot Cars, who did the render, when you put their logo all over it,
yeah,
things are looking fast.